Hi guys, and welcome to another tutorial in the Canva tutorial series. In this channel we learn everything about design techniques with Canva. Of course, with full walkthrough tutorials so that you never feel left behind. If that sounds like your jam, please make sure to hit the subscribe down below and click the bell notification so that you're notified every single time I post a video. So, let's get started. We're in Canva now and we're going to recreate it, and we're going to do the clipping mask technique in Canva together. First, add a new page. Then go to the text and add a heading. Type the letter you want. Change the background color to white. Okay, now, download this page as a PNG with transparent background. Delete this letter and make the background color black. Okay, now upload the page you downloaded. Import it, crop the extra part, make it bigger, and crop it to the middle of the word. When it reaches the middle, a guideline will appear, like this. Duplicate it and place them on top of each other. Now, we will uncrop this part, and we crop from the other side, as you can see. Now, right-click and copy it. Add a new page. Paste here. Now, we need a square shape. Go to Elements. Add the square and place it on the letter so that it covers the letter. Go to Position and send it backward. Change the background color to white as well. Go to Share. Download this page as a PNG. Make sure select the correct page and uncheck the transparent background. Delete all these elements. Upload it to the page you downloaded. Let me insert the model image first. Import the page now. And click BG Remover. Select the image and adjust the position. Click the square. Go to Edit and Duotone. Click Custom and change the shadow and highlight color to white. Go to Share and download this page as a PNG. Upload the image. Return to previous page. Delete this section because we don't need it. Now enter this page and click BG Remover. Get rid of the extra parts first. Go to Edit. Click Shadow and select Drop. Follow this setting. Increase the size. Adjust the placement as you see in the video. Now we need to change the background color. Go to Color. Select Gradient. Change the color black to this color. And change the gray color to black. Now it's time to add text. I'm dragging text from my other design to this page. The fonts are in Canva, and I've included them in the description for you. Now you can easily create creative effects and enhance your designs with this simple technique. I hope you guys loved today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it up a big thumbs and subscribe and hit the bell.